Rattles Travel Gossip Tea, Friday, January 2nd, 2026. Opening brief. Hey, what's good, family? It's your girl Rattles, best in Travel Channel hosting with that American attitude, and today's travel tea is moving like it got somewhere to be. If you're outside, bundle up and tighten up. Let's ride. First brief. Amsterdam Schiphol said, "Not today, Satan." See, what had happened was heavy winter weather plus wind direction plus de-icing delays equals major cancellations and delays at Schiphol. Folks getting stuck like their suitcase will broke at the worst moment. Schiphol had planes sitting and they're looking like ice cupcakes. And you know what's wild? The system loves when you're stressed, confused, hungry, paying $19 for a sad sandwich. Don't do it. Check your flight status, screenshot them alerts, and keep your receipts. That's how you beat the "we don't see it in the system" spell. Second brief. Delhi fog came in like, "I'm the captain now." See, what had happened was dense fog around Delhi triggered flight cancellations, advisories, and messy delays. Winter fog rules are in effect for safety. Fog don't care if you're late for your cousin's wedding, your boo's birthday, or your New Year, New Me vacation. The runway said it visibility who? Listen, don't argue with Mother Nature. You check that airline advisory before you put on your travel fit. And if you rebooking, move like a boss, pick later flights, avoid tight connections, and stop letting stress rent space in your body for free. That's Matrix behavior. Third brief. Machu Picchu train route shock, two trains collide near tourist corridor. See, what had happened was two trains on the route used by travelers heading toward Machu Picchu collided on December 30th, killing a rail worker and injuring passengers. Authorities were investigating. Prayers up for everybody involved, especially the worker who didn't make it home. And to anybody traveling right now, don't tune out safety briefings like it's background music. The world moves fast, and sometimes the truth is simple: stay alert, follow instructions, and look out for each other. That's real. Wildcard brief. Jasper's comeback tour, how to visit right after the wildfire era. See, what had happened was Jasper's welcoming visitors again, but some areas are still closed because of 2024 wildfire impacts, so the respectful move is check what's open before you pull up and follow the closure map/bulletins. How to visit responsibly, the grown folk checklist. Respect every closure, burn areas can have hidden hazards, and Parks Canada says don't enter closure zones. Stick to open trails/roads only, closures can last weeks, or longer, while recovery work happens. Support local, book open accommodation/tours and spend with Jasper businesses that are operating during recovery. If you want a learn plus give back a vibe, there are experiences that focus on post-wildfire renewal and education, not disaster tourism. Don't be that traveler who treats recovery like a theme park. The Matrix loves selfish, but we're moving different. Follow the rules, spend local, and let nature heal without you trespassing for a selfie. Travel tip of the day. Before you leave for the airport, screenshot your airline's waiver/advisory page plus your booking confirmation plus baggage policy. When the chaos hits, you'll move like you got paperwork, and paperwork is power. Fourth brief. FAA Command Center, US Travel Weather Watch. See, what had happened was wind and low clouds may slow things down in multiple major airports. FAA posted the daily air traffic report and a morning travel weather outlook video. The play is, check delays early, pick longer layovers, and don't land in a new city with zero battery. That's how folks get trapped in terminal B eating regret. Fifth brief. San Diego storm messed up flights. See, what had happened was stormy conditions reportedly triggered delays and diversions in the San Diego area. Holiday week travel stays trying people's patience. If the sky start acting brand new, you act old school, flexible plans, backup routes, and snacks. Snacks is a survival tool. Sixth brief. Cruise reminder, overboard incident in the Caribbean. See, what had happened was a passenger reportedly went overboard from a cruise ship near Cuba. Search efforts were later suspended, per reporting. I'm not playing with this one. Stay safe on them decks, hold on to rails, and keep your people close. Vacation's supposed to bring you back home. Closing brief. Alright family, that's the wrap. Don't let the travel matrix bully you. Plan smart, move calm, and protect your peace like it's designer. For quick comparisons on flights, hotels, and more, slide through breathtakinglagoon.com. Peace. Rattles out.